Hey everyone, most people lose money trading meme coins, but I've banked over $850,000 by being the person who actually launches them. It isn't luck, it's about control, because the developers are the ones who build the charts and engineer the hype that everyone else chases. While traders fight for it 2 times, the dev makes money every time through creator rewards and bundled positions, regardless of whether you win or lose. I'm breaking down my exact strategy so you can stop gambling on other people's projects and finally start building your own. Let's get straight to it. Do you see my Phantom wallet? It's $9.1 million, and this is all from deving meme coins, not by trading. That's why I'm making this video, to show you how it works. Look, let's be real. Most people in this space don't lose money because they can't lead a chart or spot a trend. They lose because they're just buying coins and getting completely wiped out by the bevs. That's the truth. What usually happens is they jump in once the hype is already peaking. By then, the person who launched the coin is just waiting to exit on that demand and take everyone's liquidity. It's a cycle. That's exactly why a lot of other experienced traders are shifting gears. We're moving away from trading and getting into getting. Honestly, it's just the smarter move. It's way more profitable, plain and simple. Think about it. When you trade, your money is at risk every single second. But when you're the one deving, you aren't risking anything. You can literally launch these coins for $0. Now sure, launching has become a lot more popular here in 2026, but the space is still wide open and incredibly lucrative. If you search YouTube for how to dev the meme coins, I'm practically the only one actually talking about it. It's still that untapped. That's why I'm putting this video. Stick around together. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. Alright, so when someone decides they want to step up and dev a meme coin, they almost always look straight at Pump.Fun. 95% of the market is blindly launching their tokens on there right now. It's the most popular platform. That's a fact. But here is the brutal reality. Pump.Fun is insanely saturated, bro. Coins are launching non-stop, and the vast majority of them lose all momentum instantly. If you're still dropping your coins there, you aren't deving, you're just gambling. You're just sitting there hoping your chart magically goes viral, which is literally impossible. On top of that, there's a massive catch. Pump.Fun literally holds your liquidity pool hostage and skims a percentage right off your creative fees. You are literally losing total control of your own money. And I also launch coins on Pump.Fun. Not really that good, bro. Look, as a dev, your absolute main focus has to be getting your token straight onto the Radium DEX. That is where the real traders are, and it's where the massive pools of liquidity are actually sitting. Now, normally to get to that point, you have to drop your coin on Pump.Fun and battle it out in the trenches just to hit that $55,000 market cap. But bro, there is a massive shortcut, and this is exactly why I completely switched over to launch Pump.Fun to launch my meme coins. Literally every single token you deploy through launch Pump.Fun completely skips that bonding curve and goes straight to Radium. You instantly level up to the DEX, putting your chart in front of thousands of active buyers right on the spot. Now, to make a meme coin, you have 2 different strategies. The first way to make a coin is by using the Create Coin tab. It's the main page, and here is where you can make a custom coin by going on X, going on any social media platform and looking for a narrative. For example, bro, there's a war between Iran and USA is going on. That is a really good narrative. These memes are good too. But once you have a narrative, come back to launch Pump.Fun, invent a meme, add a quick symbol, then add a quick logo, and then your meme coin is custom made after these steps. But I like to use the second method. I've personally grown my entire portfolio from the copy trending coin strategy. Check this out. All these coins right here, they're already going viral on Pump.Fun. They've got the community and the volume locked in. So instead of stressing over a custom narrative, you just vamp one of these over to Radium. It gives you a much higher chance of pulling those same people over to your coin. Honestly, if you're feeling lazy, this is the way to do it. That's exactly why I vamp coins. Alright guys, now for the best part, a live example. I'm going to show you exactly how to copy your coin, and we'll see how much we can actually make by the end of this video. I'm cashing out, showing the wallet, everything, no date keeping here. First step, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Hit refresh and find a target. I'm going with this render token coin. Looks solid, and you can see that the market cap is fucking insane now. Jump back to the site and click copy to Radium right here. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. Every single launch at the beginning, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It's completely normal. It appears on every transaction. Just hit proceed. Then I understand, and finally click confirm. Give it a second to load, and boom, our token is live on the Solana blockchain. Now check your coin on SolScan. We're live on chain 13 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create a liquidity pool for our token. Now return to the site and click create liquidity pool. This page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Radium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair. That is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool, and then just wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, the render token coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 140 bucks, which is a 414% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the tokens. So head over to Pump.Fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. There are free and 0.1 SOL promotion is also available, but I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now, toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this render coin is up, select Radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and then just click confirm and you are done. Now just watch, it's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 3,000 or 4,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $7,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane. If the meme is hot and if you use the right tool for meme coin promotion, then you can cash out good money. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. All right, guys, I am back and bang, bro. We are up to an $8.5 thousand market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. I think the question is here now, how we can get profit from this launch. So I'm going to, dunk it. Now come back to launchmeme.fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 5K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom Wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now, if I return to the chart, you can see liquidity is removed. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $5,632 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 SOL to 10 winners to help you take your first step. To enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.